Right, 5 hours later, getting myself lost in God knows what, and all the other stray dead activities. I managed to get rid of the little, well, whatever the prize I won from Babylon Station. Oh geez, that was pain in the neck that when I was carrying that around. Unbelievable. Right. It is a Sunday, it's night time, it's near enough by us, I don't even know what time it is, or anything like that. But I am thinking pub, pint, food, sorted for the night. We're gonna drink up, we're gonna socialise, we're gonna meet other people, maybe. If they're, well, I'll be friendly, but if they're friendly me. See if I don't get kidnapped. Alright, because yeah, we're in London. Nah, all jokes aside, it has been an absolutely great day today. You might not see it on the camera, but off camera, I did more stuff off camera than I did on camera. But it is night time. Everyone has basically looks like it's come out. It feels like a Saturday again, and we're going to get ourselves to the square. I think we're going to get ourselves to the square. Either way, I think we're going the right way or the wrong way. I don't know. Christine Carol's going wrong. The Book of Mormon. Nah, save that, it'll be fine. So I'm going the wrong way but the right way at the same time. Just on the opposite side. By the looks of things. 45 quid for tea, for afternoon tea. Things are getting pricey these days. Layman's around. I don't know what else to say, really. I really don't. I think one of them days when just you know, when you're burnt out, when you can't think of much to say or do. But at the same time, there's lots to do. Let's walk through Chinatown again. I enjoyed that. It was good walking through Chinatown last time. I'm glad. But meanwhile, I'm getting better at at vlogging, especially when it comes to the camera angle in time. And that. Gerrard Street, right? Okay, so we've got a lot to thing. Left, right. O'Neill's. As much as I like an Irish pub right now, but I guess that's not going to happen. Happen or out. I know, it's going to go this way, fuck it. Stuff it. Go this way, through Chinatown. Then we'll go back to Leicester Square and see how it goes. But meanwhile, though, the low light seems to be doing really well. Really well. I won't be gambling this time because I don't see the point in the whole gambling situation of it all. Because I don't have the money for that. And there's a lot of money these days. Because you know, the house always wins when it comes to casinos. Right, carry on going straight forward, I think. Everyone all Chinese buffets and restaurants and all that stuff. And just outside. Look at that. Full on duck. Damn. I think the one thing in life that I would love to learn is Mandarin. I'd love to learn the language of Mandarin, me. Always wanted to do it, always wanted to learn it, but just never got the chance of doing it. Because I could never find anyone to teach me how to do it, or how to say it. But yeah, it's always busy. I think this is like the second time I walked through here, and it's always full. Always full. Oh. There we go. Right. Casino life, done and dusted. I think ever since I've reset the camera now, it seems to have actually sorted itself out properly now. So like the white balance and the coloration and all that stuff is fixed. It is fixed on it. So that's what I'm kind of happy. That's what I'm kind of happy about as well. I'm actually happy about that. Right, I'm gonna walk down this way because I do want to get to Leicester Square and that. And I'm not going to get myself down anywhere down there. Alright. But yeah, I hope you guys have actually enjoyed the vlogs of where you're just seeing behind this. We're in the moment where you're seeing the same day of me. Just the stuff I do in time. Because I've always wanted to just basically hit record and show you guys what I do when I'm on move adventures. Even if I don't talk much, it's still an experience to see everything in time. Because as far as I'm aware now, London does never sleep. Sun on Chinatown never sleeps at all. At all. Right. Food. That's what we're going to find.
She's like, but I still need a job.
That is what we're going to get. So we've got Brewmaster. No, I know of that one. Part of thing. Leicester Square. I've got a few choices. I've got a handful of choices actually.
Rob, pretty good.
Oh, there we go. Damn. That leads down to the underground. Underground is still not what I needed. Right, I've already been down there a few times. Been down there by mistake, so I'm guessing that I'm going to be walking down that way. So I'm going to just quickly jump over. Ooh.
I can ask.
This is the thing, right? When no one's around, I could easily. I could easily just not even spend much at all, or hardly anything. But thinking if I were with my partner, a lot would have been. Oh, what happened back there? I don't know what happened. It's all kicking off back there. A lot would have probably spent. I don't know. But it's a weird one. My partner's more of a spender. Well, I'm more of a spender. I think we're both more of a spender, to be fair. Me and Sam. But I'm more of a spender. Spenderholic. Right, Spaghetti House. I feel like I've got myself absolutely lost. What's up, though? Or either that I'm walking in circles. Leicester Square. Got another Broadway show down there, The Alchemist. Good place. Belly Tar. Five Guys. I'm gonna go down this way actually. There is a lot. Damn. There's a lot going on here. It's kicking off. Right, okay. Right. So just had a quick look and I'm going the complete wrong way. Completely the wrong way. That's fine, it's fine. I can definitely live with that. Live for that. Nope, this is not the right way. Get down right. I've charged my phone up as well, so I'm gonna step back away from things so my phone doesn't get nicked. Right, okay. I know where I'm going now. I've got an idea. Here's the thing. Me and dyslexia do not mix at all. Yeah. Dyslexia and directions do not mix at all, I will say that one. Because it has got me lost so many times. Right, I need to take a left. Need to take a left and go straight down there. Straight down. And then straight down that way, okay. We figured it out. Always the nose angle from that. Gotta keep it up that high. Right, I'm gonna cross over. I'm gonna see if it's that way. It might be this way. Let's have a look, hang on. Nope, down this way. Oh. Right. Then it's just a long haul now. Okay, that's fine. Right. I know where I am now. I know where I'm going. Ah, yeah, I definitely know where I'm going now. I see the view. If I see the view, I definitely know where I'm going. Damn. Oh, Ben and Jerry's. I just spot that. I can do some Ben and Jerry's. And coffee. All right. Okay. Coffee and berries. Ben and Jerry's. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. So we walk. So usual Burger King, as much like a Burger King though I do want some pub grub. Some of that pub grub. So, and I think that pub grub. I am thinking not Slim Chicken. I think it's down the next one. I think it's on the next area. For the IMAX, I still need to do that. I still do need to go see the IMAX at some point. Just so I can experience it. I might do that tonight. See if we get some last showings or something. Oh. I don't care what, I don't care what kind of film it is. As long as I can get some experience 4XD, then that's all that matters.
We'll take the bus back together then, yeah?
Right, so back in Leicester Square, and I've gone completely full circle. I completely know that. How do I know that? I just do. I've gone through the complete circle. Right, the Imperial. Hopefully it's not that bad, because I could do with some grub. See you in a moment.